Good day everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to send an email using NLESD First Class. To create a new email within NLESD First Class, the first step is to select New Message. And to do that, we need to look at the New button that's in the top left corner of the NLESD First Class window and click on the arrow to drop down the New menu, and there we can see the option to select New Message. While there are many different items here that we can select, the one that we need to create a blank or new message is the New Message menu item. So we need to click that option to open up or to create a blank or empty message or email. With an empty email message window open, we can now create our email message. And our first step will be to click on the text entry box associated with the subject area and type in a subject for our email message. With our subject entered, the next step is to enter the name of the person that we're sending the message to. The nice thing about First Class is that if we type in the name of the person that we're sending it to, and that name is stored in our address book, or that person is a part of our system or organization, it will automatically pick up the email address. So in the next step, we are going to type in the first name of the person that we want to send an email message to, and it will pick up that user by default. When I type in the first name Andrea, we will get a list of all instances of Andrea in my address book and in the organization's address book. So the person that I want to send the email to is Andrea Neville. So I will click on Andrea Neville and choose her as the person that will receive the email message. And by pressing enter, that will select Andrea Neville as the person that we're sending the email message to, or if we had double clicked on the name Andrea Neville, it would have done the same thing. So we're going to press enter and place Andrea Neville into our to area or our recipient area for our email. Before we get ready to send our email, there are some features at the top part of the email window I'd like to point out. The first one is the check spelling option. We can check the spelling in our email before we send it. The attach option allows us to attach files like we would in any other email system. We have the ability to indicate our email is urgent and to select that. We also have the ability to show our blind carbon copy or show our BCC for any emails that we send as well. In addition to the blind carbon copy or BCC, we also have the ability to send an email to other people through carbon copy or CC. We won't do that in this video, but what we will do is to start typing our email message. So to do that, we have to go into the white area that you see towards the bottom of the screen, and we have to click to select that area and to start typing an email message. And the final step to sending the email is to click on the send button that you see in the top left hand corner of the email message window. And as you can see, the email to Andrea Neville has been successfully sent. You have now seen how to successfully send an email using NLESD First Class.